Okay, let's go to Dollar Tree. I was on Instagram Live earlier. Since I told you I was coming to Dollar Tree, I was like, oh my God, can you film in there? So I'm filming in here. And look what they have. I only have one in my basket so far, but they have these little mud masks. And it's like by the Yes 2 brand. Let's see if I can get it to focus. The for real Yes 2 brand. Maybe I should get 2. We're gonna get 2 of those. I'm just looking around. I always come to the beauty section even if I don't need anything. Like these are super cute, but I know I don't need them because I already have makeup bags, like not like this, but I already have makeup bags, so I don't want to just grab up extra stuff. Oh, this one's cute. Does it expand? Do you expand? Let's see. It's hard to do stuff and film. It opens up a little bit this wide. What I can do on the, I was gonna say on my phone, I'm so used to filming on my phone. Cosmetic case. Oh, I have one of these too. And I put alcohol in mine. That way I don't have to have an ugly alcohol container sitting on my counter. But instead I put it on this and I label it with a cute little sticker label. And it says alcohol. And then you pump the top after your skincare routine. Wipe your face. They have pink ones too. That's the one I got. Sometimes look for other brands of makeup. They usually only have LA Colors and some Wet n Wild. I've been seeing these everywhere. I saw these at Family Dollar the other day, but it was the stiletto kind. Press on nails. These been really popular. People like starting back to wear those. They never have white polish. They got some of these. I keep my makeup and stuff like this. It's a different kind. Oh my God, I don't have this color. Sassy and chic. They got the nose strips in here too. I use these. These are the same to me. I mean, obviously Biore is better because it's Biore. As long as it pulls stuff out of my pores, I'll use it. What's this? Ooh. They got white polish in here. This isn't the one I wear on my toes, but if you only got $1 to spend on some white nail polish, get it. Also, I get the Ultra Bright toothpaste because if you look closely, where is it at, guys? Over here. I don't like how I have to, you gotta tap the screen, like the touch screen part, to make it focus on what you want it to focus on. See, can't film and do this. Colgate.com, distributed by the same people, and it just say something different, you know. Yeah, if you never knew, now you know. That's better than grabbing these smaller ones. Let's see what else I want to get. I should have left my purse in the car. This will be easier to do. I love when Dollar Tree is super empty like this during the day. They also have these. Spoiler alert for the guys, you might want to skip ahead. The Real Always brand. Only 3 in the pack, but if you just in a hurry and you need them, emergency. Move right along. Why you gotta be behind me with that loud thing? Oh my God, I'm trying to film for YouTube. They normally have Dove in here. I don't see it. They do have Caress. I already got some of that at home. I try not to buy any more shampoos and stuff. I'm trying not to be product junkie. I only want to use what I got, and when that start running low, then I grab other stuff. By the way, if I'm complaining about my hands being full, this is my setup right now. I'm trying. Hand soaps. You can get the refills and just keep refilling yours. If you can't make it to Bath & Body Works, girl, you can come and match you up a little set. Check out my Bath & Body Works haul. Oh, I used this before. This is amazing. This is bomb right here. This is really good. I don't know what to do to make it focus. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's just get that just cause. I literally come to Dollar Tree with a few things on my list, but I leave with more because it's $1 and I can't help it. But this is how I shop. I browse and look for stuff that I don't need, but when I see it and I end up thinking I want it, you just get it. Facial scrubbers. Oh, I have a Clarisonic, but if you didn't have some such of a thing, that is only $1. Ooh, iPads. What's this? Cooling cucumber, 16 pads. You seal in a plastic bag and place in the fridge overnight and maybe store it in the freezer until needed. Should we get it, guys? We shall. They got more masks. Oh my God. I was just talking about masks on Instagram live. Or not live, last night on my Instagram story. These are the type of thing where it's like you just try out different types of masks and you never really stick to just one. Because when you see new ones, you just get them. Should we try you? You leave it on for 10 minutes. Yup. Oh, let me clarify. By trying, I don't literally mean that you kind of go home and put all this stuff on. But it's like when you want to wear a mask, you have one and stuff like that. So yeah, who's texting me? Who texting us? Y'all be saying, who texting us, girl? Who in our DMs, girl? Let's see. Haha, y'all thought y'all was gonna see. If you ever typed a message and you just leave it there because you don't want to send it, but you wanted to type it, yeah, I need to delete it before I hit send. I see some Dove tucked up under there. I see some Dove. I see some Dove. Why not? You can never have too much Dove. Dove is love. Now moving along to the hair section. What do we see that we want? Got mirrors already, got hair brushes. This one looks cool. Detangler brush. Lint rollers. Gotta stay lint free, baby. Stay lint free. Got a phone call coming in. Who is it? Hello? Hi. Yeah, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. Got something nice you might want to hear. That's what you just said. They got hair masks in here too, y'all. But I have 2 of these already. Man, why it won't focus? I don't know how to make my camera focus. Oh, get mine here. I wish I would have saw it here first because it's the exact same one. I paid like $3 at the beauty supply store. It's like the little detangling thing when you're brushing your hair. It feels so good on the scalp. A lot of the stuff that you see at beauty supply stores, like, nah, I can get it over there. Like clips and stuff for your hair. I have these too. I haven't lost my scrunchies since. It won't focus again. A cute little lollipop looking thing. Let's get what I came for so I can get up out of here. Paper towels, that's what I need. Paper towels. Oh, I need to get a thumbnail. A come to Dollar Tree with me thumbnail. That got cereal. Yeah, that's what I might title it. See, if you live by yourself, you can have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cheerio, girl, what? And some tea. Oh, I love this. I love this. It comes with a spoon and everything. You can literally eat this in the car. Yeah. The quickest meal to fix from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna show y'all. You get 2 boxes of the jambalaya mix. Along with, oh, they have this too. Let me show you, just to show you. And then you come over here to the meat section. Walking. And then you get 2 of these. Right here, I ain't gonna open it since I'm not getting it out. The smoked sausage, and you put them together. Yummy. $2 meal, baby. $2 meal. They normally have smoothies. They don't have any today. I want one of these. I'm finna get out of here because I'm grabbing all of this stuff. And I didn't come for any of it. My list only says tissue, toothpaste, paper towels, Drano from Home Depot. Here go paper towel, a random one. We don't gotta walk to the end. We can just grab this one. Yeah. I be trying to see who be looking back when I have my camera. Because people be like, what is she doing? Let's get some more of these so the toilet can be blue. I like this one, even though that one has 3. Because this one has the blue and the bleach. I usually get that one. Best place to come for your cleaning supplies is also Dollar Tree. Chances are you just go spray it in the tub and rinse it out. Swish it around in the toilet and flush it down. I could get these, but I know it's probably not gonna get the hair clog destroyer. We'll try this, I guess, until I go to Home Depot and see how it works. Because I never seen that one. They always have this one, but I haven't ever seen this one. I've never seen this one in here. They do have the Lysol. These look small, but when you read the instructions, you're supposed to mix it with water. It's the concentrated kind, but I already have some of that too. Y'all, like, she got everything. Because I stay in Dollar Tree. I do. Which aisle are we gonna go on for the thumbnail? We need a thumbnail, guys. Yeah, call me back, because I'm trying to talk to my subscribers right now. He like, I'm gonna call you back. Okay, because we at Dollar Tree, we busy. Snack aisle. This is the aisle you lose your mind on. Let's sit the camera down, can we? Oh, my tripod too big. No, I ain't gonna risk dropping it. These focus cameras, these are amazing. People looking at me like the girl, she kind of bending down, talking to the chips, because there's some chips in front, some cookies behind me. But they don't see y'all, they don't know y'all here with me. So when you vlog, you just gotta do your own thing, because people are always gonna be looking. And if they ask, about to drop my stuff. If they ask, you just gotta say, oh yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Give them a card, make you some YouTube cards, hand them one, and they'll keep it pushing. Oh snaps, my favorite! Boom chicka pop. Gotta have some of that, got to. I think this is all that we don't need but are going to buy. That's all for today. We're gonna check out now. Okay, I lied. I gotta check the I don't know what this aisle is called. It's like car stuff right here in front of me, and then like tech stuff behind me for like your cell phone and stuff. And sometimes they have good headphones, so they got these cases here. This one is for the Samsung Galaxy S7. This one fits the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. They never had one for the 8, the S8, which is what I have. So I had to get mine at Walmart, but if you could get it for $1, that would be cool. They just don't have mine here. And this is like the temper glass, yeah, temper glass. I'm not editing it out. They got this cool little thing here too. This is a stylus pen, but it's like 4 ink colors. Remember when we were in school and you can click down the one you want? Yeah, my hair. How I got a viewfinder and I'm not fixing my hair and I'm not making use of it to keep my hair in place because I'm trying to vlog and I'm in Dollar Tree. And they also have this one, which is a multi pen stylus flashlight laser. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna get this because I lost mine. Now we need to be leaving. Not really, it's just $1, right? USB cables. Let's go, guys. Plan this out. I normally just take my camera with me and just like cut it on and just start filming. So yeah, these are cool too, guys. I saw something like this in Kroger once. Oh yeah, it's broken. Wall switch light, but it's broken. I wonder how bright it is. Light bulbs, self-adhesive hooks. These are perfect for inside of your closet. I have lots of these. You can hang your purse, your belt, your extra little wallet purses, all of that stuff inside of your closet. That way it's not like in the way. They got hauls here too, guys. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, I'm telling you. Don't. Party favors down that aisle. I know this store like the back of my hand. This the travel section. Ivory. Daily healing. Dermatologist recommended. Why did she say it like that? That was so annoying. Head and Shoulders. I got this in my purse already, but I always remember to put on my deodorant. Oh snaps. See, travel, toothbrush, and the toothpaste, so you don't gotta take around a big toothbrush and a big old thing of toothpaste. School supply aisle. We don't need that because we ain't going back. We ain't going back to school. Let's get a thumbnail. Not on this aisle. I know the aisle I want to get it on. Cute vases. I want to get it on the beauty aisle. Hold on, the Dollar Tree sign needs to show. That hurt my hand. Okay, that should be good. Something like that. Let's check out for real now. They got Carmex too, pedicure stuff. Y'all get the point. Just come to Dollar Tree. Yeah, check out now. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I'm in from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and just unbag everything. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. If not like this, let me know if y'all want more videos like this. If not Dollar Tree, then just let me know where from. Or if you all, every time I go on Dollar Tree and I'm going to get more than 2 items, want me to record it, then let me know that too. It's super random, whatever I just end up grabbing. Sometimes on my Instagram story, I'll do my little Dollar Tree adventures and I individually talk about the items on my story. I'll talk to y'all in the next vlog, because this was, yeah, vlog. This isn't a video, it's a vlog. How many times did I say so? Yeah, I probably edited them out. Bye, y'all.
That's just how I'm living.